Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be installing a rear speaker into my Toyota Corolla. These stock head speakers pretty much gone bad. Music quality is not good, so I bought another set of speaker. This 500 watt 4-channel Bose speaker on Amazon, and I'll be putting it into this 2010 Toyota Corolla. This set of speaker adapter that I'm gonna putting into it because this is a 6x9 inch speaker, and you're gonna need this as well to install it so that the speakers can fit well. And as well, I got wiring harness for the speaker. I bought 4 pieces of it. I will be using it. I hope it fits into the speaker, but this is pretty much what I got. Now, to get this storage, some people will tell you you don't need to remove. You need to remove the seat, and some will say don't remove the seat. But for me, I'm not gonna remove the seat. I'm gonna have to lower this side of the seat down, put it down, remove the plastic cover here, open a panel here, and as well this panel right here. I'm gonna get it and finally get to this one at the back. To pull your seat down, all you just need to do is to pull this back. Hear that? And on the other side too, this. Bring this down this way. And the next thing we're gonna do right now is to take this plastic cover up. Just pull it. Take it off. Hopefully gonna get this out of the way a little bit. Just to create room. And next thing will be this one over this big one. Pull it out of the way. You don't need to pull it out completely, just give it a room. And this one out this way. Get this out of the way. And this other side panel as well. Just put your hand in there. There you go. Okay, wait. See that? That's how you're gonna get it out. And I'll do the same thing for the other side as well. Get the plastic cover off. This side. Get this big guy off a little bit. Not completely. So one side down and the other side is also down. So what you're gonna need to do next is to go around, look for clips that are hanging in there. So some clips will be on the or still be on the body of the car. Get them out. Going right here, stick that out because you need it to put it right back. That's where it belongs. Put it just right back. I'll look for more that are still hanging in there. You might need to get them out like this. Definitely, I'll take that one out, put it back right here, so I don't have any issue later. So next, I gotta take this cover off, and to do that, just pull your seat back off a little bit. And the one at the middle might look like it's real difficult, but there's a clip underneath here. Just pull that clip. It comes off easily, and with that, you can slide off. Put down, slide your seat back out of this easily, like this. That's out of the way, and the last one too will come off here. I got my seat belt off now. I need to use both of my hands and then just lift this panel and get it out. So what I'll tell you is you're gonna need force to lift this guy off, because there are clips at the back that holds it down. Don't worry, you're not gonna break anything. Do that, and you take this guy off, and then you see, you gotta be careful. There is cable connected here. You can disconnect it or you can leave it on. So now I have access to my rear speaker. You can see, let me show you, this is broken already. That's why I'm getting a bad reception, and that's also, so this is my fault. This is the problem I got. I just broken, and it's giving me some kind of weird sound. Now, one thing I forget to tell you is you're gonna need a ratchet, 10mm ratchet, to remove the 4 screws here, and there's another 4 screw here. So you're gonna need the short one because this place is very tight. So this is the speaker harness, which you need to disconnect. There's a tab at the back here. Just pull. I need my both hands to do that, but I'll show you. There's a tab at the back here. I need one hand to hold this and one hand to pull it out. Yeah, it's disconnected, and I'll do that for the other speakers as well. Take it out. It's right here. You need one hand to press and then the other one to pull. So this is the ratchet. You're gonna need the short one. You can't use a long one here because of this side. See that? Everyone need a shorter one than this. So unfortunately in this video I don't have a short ratchet. It can work here, but at the back, because I don't have enough space, I'm going to use a flat 10. You just take it out. This is going to be complicated a little bit, but I'll take it out. Okay, finally I got one out, but one lesson I learned: don't attempt to do this if you do not have a short ratchet. If you have a long one, you cannot have access to this side. I did a whole lot of work using this flathead screwdriver. Please get a short ratchet before you do this. 10mm. Alright, finally I got the second speaker out, but I can tell you these hard added another 15-minute delay because I don't have a short ratchet. So I'll tell you again, before you do this, make sure you get a short ratchet, not the long one. So this is a damaged one, piece of crap this is. All the heat and everything in the back damaged it, so yep. Now I got the new speaker and the old one, so I don't need this grill. I just have to line it up properly and make sure I put my adapter kit in. So this is the part where the adapter kit we accommodate, because this one doesn't have that in here. So I already labeled my adapter kit. I put a top in. So since it's this way, I'll make sure it goes in this way. So got my adapter kit in, and the next thing for me to do now is to go ahead and connect the speaker cable into it. I bought one already on Amazon, this one, and I'll connect. This is a positive terminal, this is the negative, and for here the positive is black and the negative is the positive is white and the negative is black. I'm gonna connect it right here with the harness, but it's not gonna fit into the speaker harness from my radio. It said it's gonna fit, Amazon said it's gonna fit, but unfortunately this doesn't fit. And what I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna cut this wire on the speaker and cut this guy as well and connect it. I know my white is positive and my black is negative, and here red is positive and then black is negative. So since I did not have a soldering iron, I used just join them together, and then I'm gonna plug. Now finally I got my speaker all wired up, and now I'm gonna put it right here, and then I'll screw them all down. So I got it perfectly seated in there. Now it's time to get my screws, align the hole properly. So before I tighten all those screws down, I'll just go ahead and plug the speakers and then check the sound on them with my radio. Now I can just go ahead and then tighten them down, the screws down, and connect, plug this head back in there and then clean up.
It's a boy Black Camaro once again. Oh no. He good, but that's fucked up. What?
Completed it. Sounds so good. Thank you for watching the video. Like, subscribe, and see you again next time. Thank you.